your Indian consumer. So guys, a couple of days back, a really horrible thing happened. My specs, my computer glasses, they broke. See that? It broke. And so I had to order new computer glasses because I'm used to wearing glasses on my PC. Eyes are getting really strained. And so I ordered a pair from this website. This website claims to give their first frame free Lenskart. Yeah. पर लेंस का फिर फाड़ के चार्ज लगाते हैं और this costed me somewhat around 1000 rupees along with the anti-glare blue light reflective coating. पाव के बीच में रख के फाड़ रहा था उसको. Please unbox for us. Yeah, those are the bills.
The invoice.
Yeah. Let me just show you not the address, the overall cost and stuff. Yeah. खोला काहे नहीं खोला?
The packaging is good.
Yeah, the packaging is good. Show that case. Even the case looks good. So let's take a closer look at the complete packaging. So this is the case which they provided. Nice, sturdy, material quality is great, and the things written inside are even better. Like, see this? Wow. So they have provided this 1-year coating warranty certificate of some sort, and it certifies that your lenses are genuine, branded with anti-reflective coating. Okay. And this screwdriver, and they have even provided a little screwdriver. Like, let me just focus on it. There you go, that screwdriver. So as you see, the screwdriver can be used from both the ends. That is good. A microfiber cloth, and finally, okay, so the frame looks good. The anti-glare coating, as you see, that too looks good. So here they are. You can see the frame. The frame is good. So ये frame free में मिला है. So considering that, not at all bad. And these glasses were delivered to me within a week. I received a phone call from Lenskart's end and they asked me if I wanted to make any changes. They just confirmed it, and after that, in 2 days, I received them at my place. That is a great thing. Let me just show you the reflective test. So here I have a white light source, and there you see the blue light being reflected. So this is one of the ways to test the anti-glare coating. Now let me just quickly wear them. Okay, you should not generally wear glasses using a single hand because it f's up the alignment, and they feel really nice because there is no magnification. I can see the things very clearly and without any magnification. That is a great thing. There is a slight bit of tint, a yellowish tint on the glasses. So these are the computer glasses, specifically 0 number computer glasses, and the tint, what it does is it reduces the contrast and the brightness, and the overall light which enters the glasses, it is reduced. This is a unisex frame, तो लड़का लड़की कोई भी पहन सकते हैं. And these are the computer glasses. So if you go on Lenskart, आपको computer glasses वाला segment मिलेगा. Plus it has the so-called blue light anti-reflective anti-glare coating. I hope that was right. So the initial impressions of the glasses I can keep this way, that they are good. I'm feeling really nice wearing them. The case was amazing. The microfiber cloth is great, and even the packaging was good, and the screwdriver which they have provided along with it is again nice. Now how they perform in the long run, only time will tell, and for that you'll have to stay tuned to all my vlogs. Well, as far as the Lenskart experience goes, I should say it was great because it was really easy to select the glasses. They gave the first frame free. They have a multiple selection options. It was really easy to operate the website both from your cell phone as well as from the desktop. And the best part is you can take a 180-degree picture of yourself and then apply the frame on your face and judge for yourself whether the frame looks good on you or no. So that is another interesting thing which I observed on Lenskart. And as far as you paying for the frames is concerned, the frames there are a bit expensive, तो शायद आपको बाहर अच्छी deal मिल जाए. But yeah, for a first time experience with a free frame, it is a good deal. You can even add things like UV protection and you can make them polarized, but for that you'll have to pay more. And to know the cost and everything and to hop onto their website, I'll provide a link below in the description. So do check the link out. So well, that was a short vlog style unboxing or my overall experience about Lenskart and my computer glasses. अगर आप जानना चाहते हैं ये कंप्यूटर ग्लासेस कैसे परफॉर्म करते हैं और मुझे सूट करते हैं या नहीं करते हैं, मैं इन्हें प्रेफर करूंगा या नहीं करूंगा, ये तो टाइम ही बताएगा, और उसके लिए आपको जुड़े रहना पड़ेगा हमारे चैनल के साथ. तो अगर आपने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जरूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए टू योर इंडियन कंज्यूमर एंड बी अ पार्ट ऑफ द इंडियन कंज्यूमर फैमिली. टिल देन डू रिमेंबर टू सर्व बिफोर यू स्वाइप, एंड इफ यू डोंट नीड, you don't buy. Bye bye.